what we had discussed yesterday? Selection of seeds we had discussed, na? Sowing we had not discussed. क्या कर लिया था? Seed drill. तो मेरा हो गया. Sowing is completed now, है ना? The next step, the next implements, agriculture implement is what? First is plowing. Second, selection and sowing of seed. Third, replenishment of nutrients. Now, third step in agriculture implements, that is the replenishment of nutrients and the replenishment of nutrients in soil. मतलब soil के अंदर replenishment means add on करना nutrients in the soil. अब how we will replenish, how we will give the nutrients to the soil. ठीक है? Why it is necessary, why we are giving, in which manner we are giving. ठीक है? According to that, like based on the nutrients, these we will give in the two ways, manures and the fertilizers. ठीक है? We will give in the two forms, manure and fertilizers. Now, what is manure? What is manure? This is the organic compound prepared by the decomposition of the plants and the animal waste, right? After that, they are converting into the manures, okay, or the compost. Okay, manures is also of the two types. One is called compost. Okay, second is called green manure. Compost is what? That is the decomposition of the plants and the animals. Okay, green manure is what? Which increases the fertility of the soil. That means why we are giving, why, what is actually the green manure? Green word is indicating with the plus. Okay, manure, खाद देना, right? Like green manure, we will grow we will grow different type of crop before sowing the seeds. Seeds को sow करने से पहले we will plant these kind of the crop which automatically give the fertility, increase the fertility of the soil. Like if I am saying, like as I will tell you to do the exercise, है ना? Before that, what we are doing? Warm up, right? That increases, that increasing the boosting you, increase करता है आपके stamina को. In the same way, manures को डालने से या before sowing the seeds, we are adding manures, or we can plant different type of crop which automatically increase the fertility of the soil. जिसमें हमारे पास आ जाता है sun hemp and sun hemp or sesbania. ठीक है? These two types of the crops we are growing to get the, like इसके बाद हम क्या करते हैं? जब हम इनको when we will sow these kind of the crops, after that we will plow the field. हम field को plow कर लेते हैं. तो उससे क्या होता है? These plants will enter into the soil. Then ये क्या होगा? Microorganism act on it, decomposition takes place, and they are giving the manure. They will increase the fertility of the soil. Is it clear? This is the best way, like manures. But mainly problem क्या आती है? What is the basic requirement? What are the nutrients that the plants require? These nutrients they require in a very proper manner. NPK, that is nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. ये तीनों nutrients बहुत जरूरी हैं. NPK is the very important. But जो manures होते हैं, they are less rich in NPK. Whereas the fertilizers, they are more, large amount of the NPK is present in the fertilizers. Then again, we can correlate with the homeopathy and allopathy. Homeopathy medicine असर करती है, but it will take time. In the same way, manures they will adding, they increase the texture of the soil, they increase the water holding capacity in the soil. because the microorganisms are present in the soil, so that means when they will breathe, so they are adding the humus to the soil, whereas the fertilizers, they will not do these kind of the things. Getting my point? तो fertile manures में क्या है कि they are increasing the nutrients but less in amount in NPK. NPK means nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. Whereas fertilizers, these are rich source of the NPK. Getting my point? समझ आ गया? Now question can be come in the form of difference between manures and fertilizers. Question can be come in the form of write the advantages of the manures over fertilizers. ठीक है? Why we are using why it is advised to use the manures rather than the fertilizers. Question can be mold in any form. You have to identify what actually they are asking. ठीक है? अब हमारे पास है manures. What is the difference between manures and fertilizers? These are organic compounds. These are inorganic or the chemical compounds. These are prepared at home. These are prepared in the labs. ठीक है? These are not costly. ठीक है? These are costly. These are less in the NPK. These are rich source of the NPK. They will not cause any kind of pollution. They will cause fertilizers will cause pollution. Manures are adding increase the humus to the soil. Fertilizers will not. Manures increase the texture of the soil. वही बोल रही हो ना, वो तो हमने पहले डिस्कस कर लिया. Whereas the fertilizers will not increase the texture of the soil. Manures will increase the water holding capacity because the microorganisms are there. ठीक है? And बीच में spacing होगी. Whereas fertilizers will not do this. वो तो बोल ही देना रिच सोर्स ऑफ एनपीके एंड ऑल दैट. ठीक है? तो वही आपके एडवांटेजेस हैं मैन्योर्स के. अगर क्वेश्चन ऐसे आ जाता है राइट द एडवांटेजेस ऑफ द मैन्योर्स, प्लीज पुट द मार्क्स. If the question is write down the advantages, then what we will say, manures are less expensive as compared to fertilizers. Manures will not cause any pollution as compared to fertilizers. Manures are organic compound. They add the humus to the soil. They are rich source of the they are having the NPK. All these things you can do. ठीक है? Manures and fertilizers okay? Clear है? After replenishment, what is the next step? आपने replenish भी कर दिया, nutrients दे दिए, then irrigation, right? Irrigation is the main step. Why irrigation is necessary? Why we are giving the plants to the crops? हम क्यों दे रहे हैं? Irrigation क्यों कर रहे हैं हम? ठीक है? What the water will do? Water क्या करता है? Water is why water is important. क्या है उसके अंदर? ठीक है? Irrigation, that is supply of water. ठीक है? Supply of water to the plants at a regular interval is called the irrigation, right? It is totally depend. Like पहले अगर हम बात करें why we are giving water, अब water क्यों जरूरी? For the growth and development of the plant, for the germination of the seeds, for you can say carry or absorb the minerals from the soil and give it to the plants, help in the photosynthesis, help in the transpiration, all these factors. That's why water is important. You already read in the even the 7th class we read कि अगर हम plants की बात कर रहे हैं, roots है, ठीक है? यहाँ पे roots है, leaves. Roots में क्या होता है? Xylems. We discussed ना xylem. Xylem will absorb the water. ये water को यहाँ लेके जाएंगे and they will give the water to the leaves for preparing the food. After preparation of the food, food will come in the both the direction. ठीक है? Water जो है that helps in the photosynthesis, that help in preparing the food for transpiration. That's why water is very very important. But how much water is given to the plant and when we are giving? ठीक है? That is totally depend upon the 3 factors. ठीक है? Time and frequency of the water. कितना पानी और कब? That depend upon the 3 factors. थ्री फैक्टर्स पे डिपेंड है. कौन कौन से? सबसे पहले नेचर ऑफ द क्रॉप. क्रॉप कैसी है? इफ वी आर ग्रोइंग sowing a seed, paddy seeds, paddy कर रहे हैं, that means it needs more water. Okay, नेचर ऑफ क्रॉप के बाद हमारे पास क्या है, सॉइल। व्हाट इज द नेचर ऑफ द सॉइल? हमारे पास सॉइल कैसी होनी चाहिए, सैंडी है, क्लेई है, लोमी है, विच सॉइल इज देयर, ठीक है। तो दैट डिपेंड्स कि कितना पानी जरूरत है, हाउ मच वाटर इज रिक्वायर्ड। इफ द सैंडी सॉइल, वैसे तो सैंडी सॉइल में वी आर नॉट एबल टू ग्रो क्रॉप्स, बट इन सम ऑफ द प्लांट्स वी कैन ग्रो, ठीक है। एंड देन क्ले, it needs, paddy needs clay soil because it has the water holding capacity. Loamy, that we are using in garden areas, in the field, normally we are using the loamy soil, mixture of the sandy and the clay soil. Then nature of crop, nature of soil, and the third one, that is the season in which we are growing. If we are growing in the summer season, that means we have to give the more water to the plants. Okay, in winters we can skip the 1 or the 2 days, depend upon, है ना। मतलब if you will observe at your home also, you observe कि sometime in winter season we know, मतलब it's not required to give the plants throughout the day या daily, but in summers when the June months are going on, at that time we have to give the plant, we have to give the water to the plants sometime 2 times a day, twice a day, ठीक है। For which purpose? Because in summer season they require more water. Why in summers they require more water? Because more transpiration occurs, ठीक है, loss of water occurs, that's why we need to give the more water, ठीक है जी। irrigation is okay. अब ये हो गया कि how much and when we have to give water. After that, by which methods we are giving water? कौन से methods हैं through which we are giving water? Traditional method and modern method. In traditional method, we are having the different type of the methods are there. Yes, Har Sahaj, what are the traditional methods for giving the water to the plants? What are the traditional methods? Close your books. Hanji, that is the traditional method. What is the name of that method? Why you open your book? Gately, chain pump, moat, rahat. 4 different traditional methods we were using: rahat, Gately, chain pump, moat. What is rahat? What is rahat? Water given to the plants with the help of the bull. When bull is rotating, okay, animal is rotating, then it is called the rahat, right? What is moat? What is the other name of the moat? Yes, online students. What is moat? Yes, Abni.
Ma'am, pulley system.
Moat is called the pulley system. Moat is called pulley system. That means आपके वहां पे शो होगा ऊपर पुली है. That is called the moat. ठीक है. What is Gately? Gately is help with the help of the stone. हम पुली नहीं लगी होती, उसको खींचने के लिए we are having the heavy weight side the, यहाँ पे हम एक साइड पे यहाँ पे स्टोन लगा देते हैं. That is Gately. यहाँ से पानी निकालने के लिए ऊपर और नीचे करते हैं with the help of the stone. पुली सिस्टम में यहाँ पे पुली होगी, ये नहीं होगा. Rahat, that is done with the help of the animal, and the Gately is what? Chain pump is, the pump is there and it is moving and the water is given to the plants. Traditional methods we were using: rahat, that is with the help of the bull; Gately, that is with the help of the stone; pulley or the moat, and the another one is chain pump, वो easily हो जाता है. Means identification हो सकती है. Culture cultivator we can ask we can ask identify and tell which one is the best. We are right of the advantage of using this. In the same way, we can ask it this also. We can show the different tricks, identify, ask the questions. Right? After that, modern methods we are using. What are the different modern methods? Now, these are the methods when they are not aware, because when they are not understand, like when they suffer a lot with the labor and the time, then they come to the new methods, and these are the two new methods that are very, very beneficial. One is the drip irrigation and second is the sprinkler. Okay? Drip irrigation, it can be done in the two ways. हम ऊपर एक पाइप लगा देते हैं and drip करते हैं, that is directly perpendicular or to the plants. ठीक है? Otherwise we can also insert the pipe in the base, like on the ground. हम उसमें क्या करते हैं? That is directly giving to the plants. That is the drip irrigation. Drop by drop the water is given to the plants. And sprinkler, that is a fountain like. If sprinkler is there, that will give water to thoroughly to all the parts of the plant. वो immediately चला जाता है. Both methods are beneficial because it saves our time, it saves our money, as well as the labor, and it saves the water. As water is very precious, so it saves the water also. Right? These are the methods of the irrigation. After irrigation, अब आपने उनको replenish भी कर दिया nutrient से, water supply भी दे दिया. Then the next question जो हमारे mind में आता है ना, what we have to do? Now we have to protect our crops. We have to protect our crops. Crops को protect कैसे करना है? How we will protect our crops? ठीक है, ये कर लेंगे. Soil irrigation is okay. Now the protection. The fifth step is protection. Protection is what? That to protect the crops from which? कहाँ से बचाना? Why we need the protection? हमें protection क्यों चाहिए? What is there? जो हम बोल रहे हैं, what is there? What are weeds? It's not the always we will not say that are the poisonous. It's sometime when you will see your potted plant also. उसके बीच में भी when you will see, तो जो आपके तो बाकी जो पेड़ लगे होते हैं pots, उनके seeds भी उड़ के बीच में आके they grow a new plant over there. So it's not like that always poisonous, but these are unwanted plants. Weeds are the unwanted plants grown along with the main plant. ठीक है? Why we have to remove? These are called weeds. अब weeds को remove करना is called, the removal of the weed is called weeding. ठीक है? This is called weeding. अब why we need? क्यों जरूरत है हमें? हाँ. और I asked from him. We compete with them. Sometimes they harm. Sometimes these are poisonous also. Okay? Sometimes because when these weeds, the unwanted plants grown along with the main plant, they will absorb. If we are giving the water, they will absorb the water. Okay? If we are giving manures, they will absorb that manures. If we are giving anything light, and after that they will compete for the sunlight also. Okay? And again, जो roots होंगी, their roots will entangle with the main plant. वो भी problem है. Okay? And sometimes these are poisonous. These are the toxic one. They will give the diseases to the. Sometimes these are not good for or not benefit. Okay? They cause the diseases to the main plant. So for that one, we have to remove the weeds. We have to remove the unwanted plants. Okay? To get the better yield. How we will remove it? The next question is how we will remove it. How we will remove all these weeds? कैसे करेंगे? Very simple. If the area is small, so that we can do with the hand picking. हम हाथ से उठाएंगे and remove करते जाएंगे. That is only possible when the area is small. ठीक है? When the area is too much, at that time we are not able to do with the hand picking. Again, मतलब हमारा time, labor सारा waste होगा. ठीक है? We can do with the help of the खुरपी. है ना? घर में तो हम खुरपी से we are doing. killing कर देते हैं and it remove. And when the field is too much, like the large area is there, at that time what we will use? At that time we will use the chemical method. That are the weedicides. Different chemicals we will pour or we will throw या spray करेंगे. We will spray the different weedicides. ठीक है. अब उसमें भी we have to see, we have to check कि हमने इसमें कौन से weedicides देने हैं. In that case, we will give only organic type. Like we are not using now these days, we are not using DDTs. पहले DDT बहुत चलती थी, ठीक है? But it is harmful क्योंकि जब it is washed off, it will cause the pollution to the water. It is harmful to the aquatic life. Now at present, what we are giving 2,4-D. ठीक है? वो भी chemical है, उसको भी हम avoid करते हैं. I told you the full form of the 2,4-D, that is 2,4-dichlorophenoxyacetic acid. But now we are using Malathion, Butachlor, Metachlor, Dalapan. These are the chemicals that we are giving to the plants for removing the weeds or for protecting our main crops. Any doubt, बच्चे?